Good morning. Welcome back to Epic Farm. So today let's talk about farm maintenance and upgrade. And what I'm going to show you today is more of yung cutting ng mga trees sa farm na wala nang gamit. It's either it's very old and hindi na productive, and yung mga trees na walang silbi, meaning they're not fruit-bearing trees, tumubo lang sa farm. And this is one of the sample. This is a large durian tree. So we have a total of 4 native durian trees in the property. So this is one of the large durian tree. It was cut down to give way to new durian seedlings and jackfruit seedlings. So this is the second one. So if you can see here, pinutol muna yung mga branches sa top para hindi madama yung mga other trees. Okay, so actually there's one seedling na muntik nang tinamaan dito. So let's check it out. So ito yung EV-arc natin. Buti na lang hindi tinamaan ng otherwise patay talaga yon, diba? So this is a closer look at the large durian tree. Let's check it out. So as you can see here, ang laki ng space na clear up na. So mainit na yung area. So this is another coconut tree na namatay na siya. Actually wala na pong leaves. So it's very important na controlled yung cutting natin to avoid yung mga existing seedlings. If you can see here, meron tayong one EV-arc jackfruit sa left. Here it is. And another one on the right. So ito yung mga first batch of EV-arc natin. As I mentioned earlier, meron tayong isa na iniwan. If you can see, puno siya ng fruits ngayon. So iwan lang natin to, and eventually yung mga seeds nito magagamit natin for root stocks. Here is mahogany tree na wala na ring gamit as may siya malapit siya sa riverbank, and medyo delikado na kasi meron tayong old house dyan, baka mahulugan pa. Itong tree na to, I'm not even sure what type of tree is this. Tumubo lang to sa property So we're gonna cut this down as well, and then to clear up the area. So after cutting trees, we also need to cut down the branches. Parang linisin natin yung area. That way, after the clearing, pwede na tayo magtanim muli ng mga new seedlings dito. You can see on the next video na we're gonna plant more jackfruit dito na area kasi na-clear up na siya. Okay, this is an old native santol tree, or they also call this cotton fruit. We're gonna take this down as well. There it goes, and then This area was cleared, puno to ng lanzones before, so we cut it down para taniman ng mga musang king durian. This is a big Gemellina tree, and puputulin din natin to kasi wala rin siyang gamit sa farm eh. And medyo delikado na rin kasi nga nasa riverbank siya and it's leaning towards the other side na, so anytime baka bumigay ito, mas delikado, so it's better to cut it down now na medyo controlled yung cutting. Okay, so
mahogany trees. This is still part of the farm maintenance.
Meron tayong big namarang dito, sayang din naman eh. So probably we're just gonna prune this, cut down the and just leave the lower branches ng marang. This is the mahogany.
Gemellina.
And then this is the Gemellina I've showed you earlier. Pinutol na yung mga branches muna, top branches, para pag drop ng main trunk wala masyadong madamay na ibang mga trees natin. Ayun. So all in all, it was very productive in a way kasi nga na-clear natin yung areas for farm upgrade. Minsan sasabihin natin sayang kasi nga may mga malalaki na yung yung mga fruit trees natin, but I'm looking at the other way around na it's more of a upgrade, planting new varieties that are better producing, better quality. So that's all for today. See you on the next video.